This is a 3D printed microgreens seeder, a simple, low-cost tool designed to make sowing faster, cleaner, and more consistent. The concept is inspired by professional seeders, but optimized for small-scale growers and makers. The system uses a drum with evenly spaced holes, synchronized with a pair of wheels. As you roll the seeder forward over your germination tray, the rotation of the wheels drives the drum. Seeds fall naturally by gravity through the holes, dropping evenly onto the growing substrate, creating a uniform distribution every time. The hopper at the top holds the seeds, and a flexible tube guides them directly into the rotating drum. The whole device can be built using 3D printing and CNC cutting, making it accessible to anyone with basic fabrication tools. Every part, from the drum and gears to the chassis and wheels, was designed in SolidWorks, then prepared for printing with Cura. The files are optimized for PLA material, ensuring strength while keeping printing time reasonable. This open-source project aims to bring precision seeding to small farms, urban growers, and educational projects, combining technology and sustainability in a practical, hands-on way. If you want to build your own, follow the next steps in this video and start sowing your microgreens like a pro.